Hey, my friends, and welcome. Hey, I'm inviting you to come sit underneath the tree with me today. We've got a fun little nature meditation that I'm going to guide us through. So let's go ahead and find a tree to get under, or just wherever you're at. But let's come into a nice, comfortable seat. And find yourself a nice, comfortable posture, and it can be seated on a chair, a cushion, lying down on your back, or outside underneath a tree. Allow your spine to extend gently upward while your shoulders drop back and down, releasing any immediate tension. I invite you to softly close your eyes or hold a relaxed gaze on the space ahead of you. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, letting your lungs expand completely, and exhale slowly through your mouth with a soft sigh. Go ahead and repeat this a few more times. Deep breath in and long, relaxing breath out. Very good. Now I invite you to bring your attention to the contact points where your body meets the surface beneath you. Imagine yourself as a majestic, ancient tree sitting at the edge of a peaceful forest clearing. Picture long, resilient roots growing down from the base of your body, moving through the earth, weaving past the rocks and soil, anchoring deep into the foundation beneath you. Feel how grounded you are. Above the surface, the weather may change and the wind may blow. But down here at your root, you are completely stable, unshakable, and supported by the earth. As you rest, grounded like a tree, imagine a soft, warm ray of sunlight filtering through the canopy above, resting gently on top of your head. This warmth represents ease, presence, and relaxation. Let this sunlight slowly wash down over your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Feel any clenching or tightness in your face melt away, like morning frost dissolving under the sun. Allow the warmth to glide down into your neck, shoulders, and arms. Feel your shoulders drop an inch further. Let the light flow down through your hands and into the tips of your fingers. Now bring this gentle light into your chest and heart space. With every breath in, feel your chest expand like opening leaves. With every breath out, feel your upper back and spine relax. Let the sunlight move down into your belly, softening any holdings or gripping. Feel the warmth travel through your hips, down your thighs, past your knees, and through your calves. Your entire body is now resting in warm, natural light. Relaxed, grounded, and easeful. Now I invite you to shift your attention away from the body sensation and turn inward to your breath. There is no need to push or force your breathing. Simply observe its natural rhythm. Imagine your breath as the rhythmic ebb and flow of gentle ocean tide landing on a quiet, sandy shore. As you inhale, imagine a clean, clear wave softly rolling up into the sand, bringing fresh energy and clarity. As you exhale, imagine the wave receding smoothly back into the deep ocean, carrying away fatigue, worry, and tension. As you inhale, the wave rolls in, and as you exhale, the wave recedes. Notice the small, quiet moment of stillness at the top of your inhale, right before the breath turns around. Notice the quiet pause at the bottom of your exhale, right before the tide rolls back in. Rest comfortably in those small moments of quiet balance. While resting with the tide of your breath, thought, memories, or distractions will inevitably arise. This is completely natural. I invite you to imagine you're sitting comfortably on the lush, grassy bank of a slow moving river in autumn. Golden and red leaves rest on the surface of the water, carried gently along by the current. Each time a thought enters your mind, whether it's a plan, a worry, or a random idea, visualize taking that thought and placing it gently onto one of the leaves. There's no need to analyze the leaf. You do not need to follow it down the river or stop it from moving. Simply acknowledge there is a thought, place it on the leaf, and watch the current carry it away around the bend. If you find yourself pulled into a thought, trailing down the river with it, gently notice where you are without any self criticism. Step back onto the grassy riverbank, feel your roots beneath you, and return to watching the water flow by. You are not the leaves. You are not the water. You are the still, peaceful observer, resting safely on the shore. Very good. Now I invite you to let go of all visualization. Release the river, the ocean, and the forest. Simply rest here in pure, quiet presence for a few moments, connected to your body and your breath. Feel the enduring strength of the earth beneath you. Carry this clarity stability, and peace within you wherever you go. It is always accessible by simply returning to your breath. Slowly begin to deepen your breathing, taking a full, nourishing breath into your lungs and releasing it completely. Invite in small movements back into your body, gently wiggling your fingers and toes, circling your wrists or ankles, maybe stretching your arms gently overhead like the branches reaching towards the sky. And when you feel ready, I invite you to softly open your eyes and take a moment to absorb your surroundings before stepping back into your day. Hey, thank you for your mindfulness today. Thank you for sitting with me under this tree. Hope the rest of your day is filled with peace, love, and happiness. Have a great one.